Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, welcome everyone to the final day of this school week. And during this week, we've really looked into taking care of things that are under our control. Specifically, we're looking at controlling our responses. That letter R in E plus R equals O. It's ours to own because we control 100% of our own responses. And there's a term we're going to get to know that goes along with owning your R. It's how you own your 20 square feet. Now, we've been focused on the middle belief of own from our Pirate Way Culture Playbook and are looking at why each one of us needs to have the belief of own and how that will lead to the furry team having the belief of own, which leads to the outcome you see at the bottom of the Culture Playbook, where we're a team that takes responsibility. It's time to look at the final behavior under the belief of own. And it's something you've heard so many times before. Do the work. It's 3 simple words. Do the work. And even though it's simple, people still can find it difficult to have that belief of own by behaving with that do the work. We know that the first behavior of taking responsibility is when we all own our actions and choices. We own the above the line actions, we own the below the line choices. And then that second behavior, be intentional, is when we respond exactly the way we meant to. And to do that, we have to first press pause and get our minds right. And then we can step up with those intentional responses. And then doing the work, that is the behavior we need to step up. Have you ever pressed pause, got your mind right, and knew the above the line response you had to make, but then it was difficult to step up and actually make that response? It was difficult to do the work. For example, have you ever been in front of a group of people and then you thought about what you needed to say? You knew exactly what it was, but then instead you got nervous and couldn't find a way to say anything at all? You had the above the line response in your head. You got your mind right, but then you were unable to respond or unable to step up and actually say the words. That's what doing the work is. Stepping up with the above the line response. There's going to be times you're going to hear people, they're going to say what they think needs to happen. You're going to hear people tell others how to achieve above line outcomes. But we have to have that belief of own by doing the work ourselves to influence the outcomes we want. On this final day of the school week, do the work to grow the best version of you by having that belief of own. And do the work to help the furry team have a great Friday here at school. Now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Friday, January 31st, 2025. For lunch today will be Domino's pizza, romaine salad, and then a banana and pineapple for the fruit. If you're choosing the alternate sandwich, it's either a deli sub or peanut butter and jelly. We have one birthday to celebrate at Furry today. Happy birthday to Cameron Waddington, and then several birthdays taking place over the weekend. Happy early birthday to Olivia Cobb, Leo Hodgkinson, and Corbin Boyd, who are all celebrating their birthdays either tomorrow or on Sunday. Happy birthday to all of you students. We hope you have a wonderful day here at Furry, getting to enjoy it and enjoy getting a year older today or over the weekend. And also today will be the lunch with the principal. So those students whose names were drawn at our last Pirate Way assembly, today is the day you will come down and eat lunch with me. So we want to say congratulations once again, and I will see these students during their lunchtime. In kindergarten, lunch with the principal winners, Patrick Yates, Raylan Hermes, Layla Aaron, Maria Simino, and Simon Austin. In first grade, Gunnar Smith, Gianna Doherty, Ella Evans, Rhett Likes, and Addison Krieger. And then second grade students doing lunch with the principal today, Thea Schlett, Jaden Zollner, Timothy Haynes, Leon Cordell and Lauren James. Congratulations to all of you students. Look forward to seeing you in a few hours. And some academic congratulations this morning. Congratulations to the following kindergarten students in Mrs. Boos's class, all for passing word list number 1. Ava Worley, Ethan Bixler, Liliana Duro, and Abram Schroer. Congratulations to all of you for doing the work and earning your academic congratulations. And now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right. Those first 2 steps to being intentional with those above the line responses. And once we have that intentional above the line response in our minds, we'll be ready to do the work and step up with that throughout the day today. So let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold for 4. Now breathe out for 4. All right. Very, very good, boys and girls. I do not have any other announcements for you this morning. Let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.